Hi everyone, I'm from the ArtNet project working group, and this is a tutorial on how to create and deploy a fully functional AI agent that can talk to other agents in 3 simple steps. But first, let me briefly explain what I'm talking about. The ArtNet is a distributed network for the agentic internet that allows users and agents to connect, communicate, and collaborate with each other. It's maintained by the ArtNet project working group, which is a team of engineers, researchers, and industry professionals from all over the world who are focused on democratizing intelligence and making it available to everybody. Links on that can be found in the description. So let's get back to the tutorial. So first things first, we'll need to install Node.js, which I've already done, but I'll include the links on how to do that in the description. Once you've gotten Node.js installed, we'll need to create the scaffolding for our agent that will allow us to launch it as a server or deploy it to the ArtNet. For that, we'll use the ArtNet SDK, which is one of the leading JavaScript development kits for creating agents that can talk with each other by leveraging Google's brand new agent-to-agent protocol. And we can install it and create a working template with just one command. The SDK can be found here, and we can use the builder command to install it. So let's follow along with the setup instructions, and I'll use the orchestrator agent, which can send commands to other agents on the ArtNet. But if I wanted to set up my own a2a compliant server, I could use the Echo agent, which comes bundled with additional a2a tools to create an a2a compliant server. I could use the coding agent for a similar purpose. I'm going to call this agent the tutorial agent. Great. The agent has been installed, and we can take a look at its source code to see what it's actually doing. So inside, the agent creates a handle to another agent on the ArtNet platform, uses its base URL to do that, and its agent ID, which you get when you register on the ArtNet. Then the agent sends it a command to write a Python function to share files remotely. And once it receives the response from the command, it sends the response later on back to the user. And the source code for this is available online if folks would like to walk through and understand kind of clearly what it's doing. But we just right now want to have a quick run through of how this works. So let's run a test. Oh, we should have followed the instructions and CD'd into the tutorial directory. Now, let's run a test. Okay, so this test is going to send the orchestrator agent up to the ArtNet and deploy it temporarily. And we've added a series of commands for the agent to complete. And there we go. So this generated text, Python code, was sent to our agent from another agent on the ArtNet. And our agent sent it back to us. But now, let's really quick see what a full deployment looks like. And send our agent up to the ArtNet permanently. For doing so, you'll need an API key, which I've already added, but you can go to the Artinet platform and generate your own API key. This process might take a little while, so we'll jump ahead to once the agent's fully deployed. Oh, actually, it finished already. Awesome. So now we see the URL that our agent lives at, its name, and a base path in which we can access it. And we can always use our deployment ID to look up the agent once it's been deployed on the Artinet, or its name, or we can just click last modified. Maybe it hasn't updated yet. Boom, there we go. Our orchestrator agent is alive on the Artinet. And we can see it in our listings. And that's it. 3 simple steps to deploy an AI agent.